Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate the voice to text or voice typings on Windows 11. So if you are too lazy to type but you need to write on your computer, you can just use the voice typing feature. So here, to activate it easily, you can just use the shortcut. You can click on the Windows button on your keyboard plus the H letter. So let's try it. Windows and H. Okay, so this will show up. You can see that voice typing turns your voice into text with Microsoft Online Speech Services. You can also select the microphone button here. You can just click on this to start the voice typing. And this will also install device-based speech recognition that improve voice typing performances. Here, if you want to go to the settings before you start recording, you can just click on this gear icon. Here, you can enable the voice typing launcher that lets you quickly access voice typing when you are in a text box. And you can also if you want to automatic punctuation, you can just enable it. And here you can also select the default microphone that you are using. And in here, I'm going to just start by clicking on this microphone icon. Let's find okay, I'm going to just use Notepad for example. Here, let's enable the voice typing. Click on this microphone icon, and here, as you guys can see, it will automatically detect my voice and turn it into sentences like this. So you can try on your own. If you are too lazy to write, you can use this feature. To stop, you can just click on this microphone button again, and that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe also.